out a bit, zoom out a bit.
Okay. Okay, guys.
It should get to all Nigerians. We should not be killed as the police and the army force killed our brothers and sisters here 4 years ago. We are not criminal. We are not criminal.
Police brutality! End police brutality now! End police brutality! They injured me with gun on my leg, on my right leg. The police have injured me with gun on my right leg. End police brutality now! End police brutality now!
Whatever I need to want to collect from my hand, collect it from your station. Give me my property back right now. I have right to my property. Give me my property back right now. Whatever I need to want to collect from my hand, go to the station and collect it. It's our set in tollgate. From there we go where we're going to get our refreshment. But imagine, some police started standing us, started beating us, started harassing us, tear us tear gas. That not coming any crime. And today is not even for protest. We are not coming here for protest. This is our meeting point.
This is our constitutional right. Anywhere in the world, we have right to protest. United Nations law, ECOWAS law, EU law, be it anything. It's a right for us to show our grievances. This is unprofessional.
So this could stop us from